We're back underground, it's dark. Where's Johan? There he is.
Hello.
Hey. So we got something really cool with us today.
Found something pretty interesting.
Yeah, something to touch on. There's Lois with the ROV.
And we are going to be following this river because just around the corner there, where I came from, we have not one but two Windses, which are flooded and begging to be robbed. So we are at the top level of a 18th century mine that was developed during the 19th century under the drainage adit, which had to be pumped. So the workings we're going to be ROVing into today were abandoned in about 1880. So anything we might find down there is going to be from that period. No one we know has ever done this before here, so it's pretty exciting.
Let's go and check it out.
Let's go do it, it's around there.
Which way do we go?
Left, I think. Follow the water. Because we've got a split personality here.
Yes. Four tunnels.
Oh yeah, cool.
1, 2, 3, 4. And that way.
All this silt is all accumulated. The level wouldn't have been this size originally. It's just because of all this silt that sort of accumulated and been washed down here. There's a few shafts up to the surface, so probably it's all washed down through there, I'd imagine.
Let's go. You okay, Lois?
Yeah, good.
When she comes in here, I've got the ROV. Let's get it in the water. It's a bit low in here. Difficult to walk. Carrying an ROV. Hey.
It's pretty wet.
Oh, it's coming down, isn't it? We have had a lot of rain.
Yeah, look at all this. So with the first wind, we have to, the first wind is in a flooded area, so we are going to murk up the water when we go near the wind, so we're going to have to do that one first. Because if we do it on the way back, it's going to be all cloudy.
Absolutely.
So we have to do this one first, but get it ready now, so that when we get into the water there, we just put it straight in, I think.
Yeah,
Unless you want.
can we do it by the edge of it there? Oh, there's a big waterfall going on.
There's a waterfall there, and then beyond the waterfall, we're in the water then. Where the wind is.
Is that the winds right there?
It's beyond. It's beyond the waterfall.
Oh, I can see.
Yeah, there's a big open chamber there, and it's in the chamber. But we're gonna, as soon as we walk in there, we're going to start clouding up the water.
Okay, let's set it up
So
here.
we'll set it up here, yeah.
There it is. I'm trying to plug the cable in. Trying to plug the cable in. I can't see. Oh, there we go. Here it is, all set up. That's it. Let's get it in the water.
Okie dokie.
Wow. Good.
Look at the water coming down the load. Oh. Oh, nice. Let's go down it. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. And there's another one.
Slowly.
Yeah, nice and slowly. Oh, there's another one, look.
Yeah. So how deep is this?
So it should be 78 feet to the next level. So not a huge distance. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.
What is it, a Winds or a manway?
It's a manway. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Oh no, it's collapsed.
Is it? Does it go sideways? Or? Might go
Oh,
sideways.
it's a level.
Oh, it's a level. It is too.
We're on a level.
This is a narrow level.
There's a ghost. Did you see that?
Oh yeah.
Is that misty?
Yeah.
Do you know what that is? Is that the sill we kicked up on the way in?
I wonder. That's awfully quick. There's another ladder going down. That's a bit quick for that silt to have gotten there.
Silt's coming through, look.
Yeah. So it's like it's short intermediate level, and then it goes down again. Oh, what's that on the ladder?
It's very tight here.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah,
False floor.
It's very tight there, it's a bit tricky.
That's the way
So we're
back.
stood on this false floor.
Yes. What's...
Right, that's a bit tricky down there. Let's go this way. Wow.
Big stope up there.
Yeah. Another ladder. See it?
Oh yeah. Oh wow, look at that stope.
It's stuck. That's true.
You're right, it's a very narrow stope.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Can I see our lights? Are those our lights? Flickering. Maybe
It's
not.
hitting the walls.
Ah, yeah.
Hey folks, we're back.
Again.
There he is.
We've altered the plan a little bit.
Yes, we have. Went a bit wrong.
Yeah, the last ROV that we just did, it was all pretty badly silted, and it was so small, the old manway that we were following was so tight, the ROV couldn't safely pass. So we had to abort that. So we've come to backup option number, well, B, which is in there.
And in there we're going.
So we're going to try the ROV again to a winds that we know of in there and see if that works. Because that manway was cool, but it was too small. It was, the ladder was going down like this and the wall was right here. So there wasn't any room really. I don't know how the miners got down there. They must have been very thin.
That's too expensive to lose.
Too expensive to lose, yeah.
Absolutely.
So we'll try it.
Let's get in there then. Ready for this, Lois?
Ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, vamonos.
Here we are, we're in.
We're in.
Here comes Lois. Oh, it's nice in here.
It's a lot drier in here than the last one, isn't it?
It's pouring with rain outside.
Absolutely pouring in the last one, yeah.
Oh, that, yeah, that waterfall in there.
Yeah. Oh. I think it's time for me to get some new wellies because I can distinctly feel cold water coming in.
Oh, you got your wellies on. I've got my waders on to keep warm.
Oh, yeah.
Who would help you with that ROV?
No, it's alright, I got it.
Yeah.
These timbers are pretty cool. I know we've been in here before, but the timbers are pretty awesome.
They're always good.
Yeah. The way that they've blended
look at the arch.
stone arch, yeah, that's beautiful.
Very nice.
It's almost on par with our favourite arch, isn't it? Under the road.
I don't recall the arch for a weird reason. I've been in here loads.
Yeah.
Hey Lois, look at the arch behind you.
Oh, look at that.
Nice.
And the way that they've built the wall
look,
on the rock.
They've built the wall on the rock.
Built on the bedrock.
They're so perfect.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at this.
So this was done on the 26th of January 1886.
Wow.
It's in the Mining Journal. We have thrown an arch upon the level, is the wording that they use. So this is the arch that was thrown upon the level on the 26th of January 1886.
That is very impressive. That massive map, that picture of you on that map, is it? All that?
It is. All of this is on that map. Yeah, everything's
That's
on
some
that
map. I'd love to see that.
It is about, well, we had to put 10 tables, so it's about 30 or 40 feet long. The map is huge, absolutely huge.
And it's an original map.
It's 1852, yeah.
Gee whiz.
So it's been updated though, because obviously this level hadn't been arched yet in 1852, but it was updated and you can tell what's new and what's not, because the handwriting on it changes. So anything that's labelled in cursive writing is the original 1852 as signed, but then there's some stuff in block capitals that's been added in a black ink later, so you can tell what's new and what's old, which is kind of cool.
I bet that was cool to see.
Yeah.
We'll come up and see it one day.
Absolutely. So we're going to do a bit of a course alteration up here. We're going to take the old B-planet to the right, unless I think we might have already passed it actually. There's an old level going off to the right that we need to take. Oh no, it's here. Oh no, I think we passed it. There's an old level. I think we've already passed it. It goes off on the left.
Up and over.
Yeah, that's it. It's down there, yeah. So that's the original adit, and it broke through into this level by mistake. So we're looking for a hole up in the left. You can step it.
It's not like you to miss something, yeah?
Eh?
It's not like you to miss.
I know, right? Yeah.
Miss that.
There it is.
There it is.
That's where we're going.
Wow.
Have you been down here before?
No.
Ah.
It's new to me.
Oh. Do you want to pass them up to me when I'm up? Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the original deep adit from
they
about
broke-
1820.
Broke through into here by mistake.
Yep, they were driving along the load and then they went pop. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. You can take that as well. There you go. Okay.
I'll probably have to pull you up first. Use your knees as well. Grab that, that's it.
You got me?
Yeah. You can get your knee in there.
Yeah.
That's it. I got you.
Don't pull me too much, I'm not there yet. Nope. Yeah.
Grab this. Yeah.
That's it.
There we are.
So dignified.
Look at that, how muddy the floor is. So this is what they call the old north underlier load, because it underlies to the north, dips to the north, and it's very fluckeny right here, because you can see all of this stuff is just accumulated debris that kind of peeled its way off from the fluckeny roof. More chunks of it here, all sort of delaminated away from the roof up there.
No echo.
Yeah, none whatsoever, right? Absolutely. So we get out of the flucken zone down here and we're back into a more hard sort of nature. Yeah, you can see that north underlie very clear up there, north being that way.
Didn't know this was you.
Yeah, you got to spot it when you go past, don't you?
Yes, absolutely. So you missed it and you've been here.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
That's how hard it is to find.
I keep thinking it's just in from the entrance. It's quite close to the entrance, so quite often I go straight past it. So this is driven in about the 1820s, so it's a bit older than the one we came in on from the portal. And driven the other way, we're going backwards along it. The entrance is now collapsed, so all the shot holes, as you can see, go the other way, back the way we came, because it was driven from further away, so we're going downhill. You feeling warmer?
Yeah, it's warm in here.
Good.
My back's soaking wet from that other level.
Oh yeah.
And yours is.
Can see the little fluckeny load running there, yeah? If you give that a prod with your finger, you'll find that that's all just fluckeny clay, yeah?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah. No good to anyone.
No. Wow, it's a bit of a long level.
Yeah. So you know where we parked? It used to go in right where we parked the cars. That's where it used to start.
We're heading back away.
We're heading back out, yeah. A bit of a crosscut going off down there.
You go anywhere?
It's just a dead end. Yeah. It cuts a small load, but nothing of any significance. Pop down there if you want. Some fingerprints. I don't know how old they are, but there's some
There's a few there.
clay fingerprints there. This is good stuff. This is good material for sticking though, so I wouldn't be surprised if it is old stemming. Okay, we're almost there. It's just through there, I think.
This is so cool.
So we've got a collapse straight ahead, another collapse that way, but through here we've got us a little stope.
Nice.
And when we're walking here, don't tread in the water because we're going to murk it up.
Right.
If we do, so step on the stepping stones if you can.
Okay.
Put these down, and I think, yes, there it is. There's our stope. Here's the stope, it's up here.
What's down there?
That goes down to the same place. If you come over here, I'll explain it. So, see these new bolts right here?
Yes.
We came in here last week and bolted a traverse around the side there, but unfortunately it's a dead end down there. It looked like the level carried on, but it doesn't. So this is all flooded and that goes ways down. That's where